wiper blades wear out for one big reason, and frankly, nobody knows how to take care of them. In Germany, a $5 blade lasts 5 years. The same blade here in the US lasts for only 6 months, and it could get even worse if you don't know how to take care of your wiper. So, in this video, we'll share the same secret German method that can make your wiper blades last for more than 5 years. 1. The alcohol deep clean. This is our first technique. Remember, a windshield that looks clean is almost never truly clean. The glass surface collects an invisible film of silicone residue from car washes, petroleum compounds from road spray, and mineral deposits from hard water. This film is smooth to the touch and nearly transparent, so drivers assume the glass is fine. But when your wiper blade drags across that contaminated glass, two things happen at the same time. The contamination gets worked into the rubber edge, and the irregular chemistry of the film causes your wiper blade to chatter and skip. Most people interpret this as a dying blade, but the film on the glass is your actual problem. Your blade is just the messenger. Don't blame it on its quality. Here's what you need: 70% isopropyl alcohol, which is one of the few accessible household chemicals. But this has actually dissolved this film completely, ensuring blades remain smooth and functioning. Now, interestingly, the car owners in Germany do this as their routine windshield maintenance. In America, it is essentially unknown outside of enthusiast circles, which is exactly why American wiper blades keep failing at the rate they do. Every time it rains, your wipers drag across a windshield that is coated in a film of road grime, engine oil mist, exhaust particles, and brake dust. These petroleum-based contaminants bond directly to the rubber wiping edge. They do not just sit on the surface. They absorb into the outer layer of the rubber and harden it from the outside in. And the problem is that your standard washer fluid is mostly water, with a small amount of detergent, which does not remove oil or petroleum buildup. Instead, it spreads the dirt around, and every wipe you allow pushes that grime deeper into the rubber edge. Now German mechanics understand this well, which is why cleaning the windshield with alcohol is their first step in proper wiper care. You see, cleaning the glass properly removes the main cause of rubber wear before it even begins. A clean windshield allows the rubber to glide smoothly with very little friction, helping your wipers last much longer. 2. Restoring rubber layers. The second amazing method weaved from Germans is restoring the rubber layers. Yes, it's doable and doesn't cost as much as you would think. You see, rubber, unlike glass or metal, has depth and layers. The outer layer of your wiper blade rubber is what takes the full assault of ultraviolet radiation and petroleum contaminants. That outer layer eventually hardens, glazes, and fails to grip your glass. But beneath that degraded outer surface, in almost every blade that gets thrown away, the rubber is still viable, still flexible, and still functional. Your blade is not dead, the outer layer is. Sadly, nobody taught us American drivers that those are two different things. German mechanics discovered that after carefully removing that degraded outer layer, which exposed functional rubber underneath, that rubber, once treated with the right protective compound, behaves essentially like a brand new part. This is the core insight behind the German restoration method, and it is based on straightforward rubber science. Nothing fancy, nothing too technical that you can't absorb. This is very similar to how an American carpenter might sand down a piece of old wood to find the beautiful, fresh grain underneath. You are not buying a new piece of wood. You are just revealing the quality that was already there. Most people are shocked when they see how much black soot comes off a dead wiper blade when they rub it with a cloth and a little bit of alcohol. That soot is the oxidized rubber that was causing the streaks. By clearing that away, you are giving your blade a second, third, and fourth life. This process takes less than 5 minutes, but saves you the cost of a full replacement. It is a smart, mechanical solution to a problem that most people solve by throwing money at the store. When you remove the dead layer, the blade regains its ability to conform to the curve of the glass, giving you a perfect wipe every time. Now, before we move to another impressive method German car owners can use to enhance the life of the wiper blade, how about you take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel? It will tell us you like our content and will be motivated to create same amazing stuff for you. 3. The silicone shield. Now this one is specifically about protection of rubber. You see, the protective compound you use on your rubber matters enormously, and this is where many American car care products actively cause damage. Most American rubber protectants contain petroleum distillates. If you apply those to your wiper blade rubber, the rubber swells unevenly, softens in irregular patches, and leaves greasy smears across your windshield that reduce visibility. Using the wrong protectant is actually worse than using nothing at all. The solution used in Germany is pure silicone-based rubber conditioner with zero petroleum content. Silicone penetrates the rubber, restores flexibility, and forms a protective barrier that dramatically slows down the oxidation process caused by the sun. German auto parts stores carry silicone rubber conditioner specifically formulated for wipers as a standard product on the shelf. Here in the US, you have to look for 100% silicone spray with no petroleum additives. Think about how an American athlete uses a specific oil to keep their leather gloves soft and supple for years of play. The silicone does the same for your wiper blades. It keeps the polymer chains inside the rubber from breaking down under the heat of the sun. Ultraviolet light is a mortal enemy of rubber, as it destroys the compounds that give the blade its elasticity. After enough exposure, the rubber becomes too rigid to maintain full contact with the curved glass. By applying a silicone shield, you are blocking that light and keeping the rubber in a factory-fresh state for half a decade. And this is a winning strategy that keeps your equipment running at peak performance. It also makes the rubber waterproof, so the rain beads off the blade itself. 4. Heat guard habit. Heat is a silent killer that most drivers never think about until it is too late. When your car sits in the sun, the black rubber of the wiper blade absorbs heat until it reaches incredible temperatures. This heat can cause the rubber to actually fuse to the glass of the windshield. When you turn the wipers on later, the motor has to rip the rubber away from the glass, which creates tiny tears that cause streaks. You can see this happening on almost every car in a parking lot during a hot July afternoon. German drivers have a very smart habit of lifting their wiper arms up or using small wiper stands when they park in the sun. This keeps the rubber in the cool air and away from the scorching hot glass. By keeping the blade separated from the heat, you are preserving the chemical integrity of the rubber. It stays soft and straight instead of becoming baked and deformed. This 2-second habit is a major reason why German wipers stay in such great condition for 5 times longer than the ones in other countries. You are essentially shielding your equipment from a slow-motion fire. When you keep the rubber cool, it maintains its shape and its ability to clear water perfectly for years. 5. Metal spine diagnosis. There is one failure you must be very cautious about, because it is the one for which there is clearly no fix. Confusing it with rubber failure is one of the most common diagnostic mistakes drivers make in America. Your wiper blades have a metal spine running through the frame. That spine is what gives the blade its arc and maintains pressure against your windshield. Over time, especially in climates with harsh weather, that metal spine fatigues and deforms unevenly. When it does, certain sections of the blade lose contact with the windshield entirely. The signature of a dead spine is a diagonal dry stripe that appears in the same location on every single wipe cycle. The rubber on either side of that stripe clears perfectly, but the dry zone stays fixed and consistent. That is a structural failure inside the blade frame. Now, your rubber could be in perfect condition, and it would not matter because the blade can no longer press evenly against your windshield. You see, German mechanics are trained to diagnose which failure mode they are dealing with before they touch anything. On the other hand, we American drivers were never taught this distinction, so we replace everything regardless of the cause. This is very similar to an American truck driver checking the leaf springs on a heavy trailer. If the spring is snapped, brand new tires will not fix the ride. By learning to identify a dead spine versus dirty rubber, you save yourself from wasting time and money on unnecessary parts. If the spine is good and the pressure is even, the German method will always bring the rubber back to life. You are simply ensuring the mechanical foundation is solid before you focus on the surface of the blade. 6. Beam style engineering. Speaking of structure of blades, our next solution is more about rethinking the blade design so you don't have to worry. Beam style blades, which are the solid curved ones without an exposed metal frame, hold up much better under the German maintenance approach. This is because the rubber wiping edge is fully accessible and the pressure is distributed evenly across the entire blade length rather than through a series of pressure points on a metal frame. While they cost slightly more when you first buy them, the cost difference is irrelevant over a 5-year maintenance cycle. In the United States, these are often sold as premium upgrades, but the German philosophy sees them as a fundamental tool for long-term efficiency. Because the pressure is constant from one end to the other, the rubber wears down at a perfectly even rate. This makes the restoration process much more effective because you are working with a flat, consistent surface. So it goes without saying that a cheap traditional frame blade maintained the German way will still outlast an expensive beam-style blade maintained the American way. That is not speculation, it is pure rubber science. The numbers tell the whole story of why the industry pushes replacements over maintenance. The American wiper blade replacement market generates over $1.3 billion every year. If American drivers adopted the maintenance approach that has been standard in Germany for decades, that market would generate only a tiny fraction of that amount. The auto parts industry knows this, and they have always known this. Wiper blades are one of the highest margin consumables in the entire automotive world. There is zero financial incentive for that industry to teach you what German mechanics learned generations ago. By choosing the beam style design and maintaining it, you are making a one-time investment that pays off for half a decade. 7. Killing planned degradation. This is a complete shift in how you view every product you buy. You have to realize that the overall quality of wiper blades has quietly gotten much worse over the past decade. Manufacturers are under massive pressure to keep prices low while increasing their own profits at the same time. Because of this, the rubber compounds found in budget blades today contain far fewer ultraviolet inhibitors than the blades made 15 years ago. These parts are literally engineered to fail faster so that the retail replacement cycle stays fast and profitable for the big companies. By using silicone conditioners and regular alcohol cleaning, you are manually replacing the protective chemicals that the manufacturer intentionally left out of the product. You are taking a basic, cheap part and forcing it to perform at a high level it was never intended to reach. This creates a very powerful feeling of total control over your own machine. You are no longer a passive customer waiting for a part to break. Instead, you are a smart owner who understands the science of the rubber. You are choosing to win against a system designed to make you spend money every few months. Stop wasting your money on new blades every season. Join the smart drivers who use this German method to save hundreds. Hit that like button and subscribe right now so you never miss another secret to keeping your car perfect.